Hello, and welcome back. In the previous video, we allowed restarting the game. In this video, we will use custom web fonts in our game. We will learn where to find fonts. We will choose a free-to-use font in Google Fonts. We will also explore the different common web fonts services. We'll fine-tune the text position. For the web fonts license, if you own a font license that can be used on the web, you may use Font Squirrel to create a web font format for it. Otherwise, we usually use third-party web font providers. They provide different font styles at low prices, or even for free. We will use a Google font in this example. Google fonts are all under open source licenses. Let's take a look at other alternatives before we move on. If you are subscribed to the Adobe Creative Cloud, you may choose web fonts from Typekit. There are a wide range of fonts to choose from. Fonts.com also offers a flexible pricing for high-quality web fonts. You can definitely check whether their fonts fit your needs. Let's go back to Google Font. On the homepage of Google Fonts, they have a list of fonts. We want to choose a font that has nice and easy to read numbers. And it also needs to be bold enough. I choose Oswald from the font library. We can click on the Used Font icon to go into the detailed font using instructions page. Scroll down and you will see the CSS code to include the font. Select and copy it. Keep scrolling down and you will see a meter showing how large your selected font file is and the impact on the loading speed. It's good that this font is in the green area, meaning loading this font shouldn't take a long time. In the index.html file, we include the Oswald font by using the code from Google Fonts. Copy and paste the code in the head section. After we've included the CSS, we need to apply the font in the game. The custom font works in Canvas too. What we need to do is find the numbered text and override the font with our new selected one. Let's open the game-es6.js file. In the numbered box class constructor, after we create the instance of the numbered box graphics from the library, we override the font style of the number text. We change the number text font to 30 pixels Oswald. Open the game in the browser. You can see that the game now comes with the custom font. Every font looks slightly different in position and size. The size and placement looks not quite good with the new font, so we fine-tune the font size position. We want to make the font a little bit smaller and move the X position right a little bit, by 2 pixels. Let's check the font in different browsers. We find that Firefox is not showing the same Y position as the other browsers. That's because the text baseline is not the same. We can fix this issue by setting the text baseline of the numbered text to alphabet and manually setting the Y value. In the numbered box class, after we specified the Oswald font, we configure the text baseline option and the XY position adjustment to make the font fit into the box graphic. Decreasing the font size by 2 points would make the visual result better. Let's test the game again. Now the font size looks good and the alignment fits in the box. We included a custom font in the game with the help of this video. In the next video, we will add sound effects to our game.